90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. Very good. Wait, did you turn it on?
Yeah.
Say hello.
Hello.
Don't drop it, huh? Say hello, guys.
Hello, everyone.
Where are we going back?
We're going to Starbucks and then we will eat.
We will eat? What do you want to drink? Ano po?
Hi, Dad.
Hi.
Welcome to my vlog. Today
Your
we're...
vlog?
Yeah?
Are you ready, Jacob? Guys? Hello, guys.
I'm drinking
Orange juice.
Cheers.
What is it? No, wait. This one is from Tita Mason.
It's from
Tita?
Basil.
Tita Mason. Say thank you, Tita Mason.
Thank you, Tita Mason.
Wow.
It's Play-Doh. Cheers.
No, you can open it. Oh, look at that. There you go. Cheers. Oops! Oh, wait lang. Don't touch it. Okay na. Why? Yeah, it's okay. I'll try to get some tissue, but wait. Jacob.
Sa third floor naman.
Sa third floor?
Yeah.
Ba't mo alam anong meron sa third floor?
Sa ano? Doon yung ano, yung Toy Kingdom.
Yung ano?
Yung Toy Kingdom nandun.
Hala. Wala nang Toy Kingdom doon.
Asan na yun?
They remove it na. Let's go on the other side.
Where to go?
Why?
I want to go to Toy Kingdom eh.
Anong gagawin sa Toy Kingdom?
Kasi yan yun, no?
Kaya nga. What are we doing?
Sila?
Yeah, I think they closed already.
They did not close because it's morning.
Huh?
They're closing. At the night, they're closing. Because
At the night? So, where are we going na?
Toy Kingdom.
Where?
At Toy Kingdom.
Bakit? Anong gagawin sa Toy Kingdom? Buy something?
Yeah.
500?
That's the Toy Kingdom, oh.
Yeah.
They're not close. I told you. They're not close at morning. They're so silly. I'm the
What?
correct one talaga.
What?
I'm the correct one talaga.
Bakit?
Yeah, I know where is the ano kasi. The Toy Kingdom. It's
One toy ha?
okay.
Only one toy.
Not food. This one.
Not so expensive, ha?
Yung ano dito, yung... Ito, oh.
Wow. Nice. So which one would you like? They have the Spider-Man. Meron silang superheroes and then Mickey Mouse. They also have cars pala. So which one they like? I thought you like Spider-Man. Ano si ito, daddy mo?
Peace, Daddy.
And then?
Thank you.
Thank you lang. Walang kiss. Ay, may hug pa. Is ba it? Are you ready to pay for it? Oh.
So big. Such a big toy kingdom.
Anong gagawin mo dyan sa binili mo?
Thank you. Thank you. And also, I miss you.
I miss you too.
Let's go.
Loko ka, ha?
I'm just a joke. I'm just a joke.
Oops!
Dahil baton. Joke.
Natural vlogger.
Sir, again, oh. Hi. Say hi. Hi, okay. Okay. Dad, let's go.
What?
Thanks, Dad. Thanks, Daddy.
So what can you say about the ano?
Thank you.
No. Is it good? Maganda siya? You can write well. Thumbs up. Thumbs up to your, ano? To my mouth. Ganon. Did it and then, ow. What? Akala ko kanina you like Mickey Mouse, pero nung nakita mo si Spider-Man, you change your mind.
Yeah, I changed my mind.
Bakit?
Kasi I want Spider-Man and I thought kasi walang Spider-Man.
Walang Spider-Man, kaya...
Kaya nakita ko pa. Gusto ko niya. Come here at my vlog. This is where my vlog is. Here, Dad. I mean here, Dad. Sa pool. At the white...
Oh. So how is it? It's good?
That one?
No.
The time zone?
The time zone?
Yeah.
Nag-enjoy ka?
Thank you, Lola, Emily, and Nora Ward. I love you.
Mama.
Do not forget to like and subscribe until my next vlog.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
I love you all.
I love you every day all.
Mama.
Yum, 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 yum.
So nag-enjoy ka ba today?
Yeah. We go up to the zone and I have gifts.
Gifts? A lot of gifts?
Yeah. And a Play-Doh.
Play-Doh.
And then a ball pen.
And then
And then,
magnetic board.
yeah, and then
You
the
did it.
Jacob.
Yeah, the Jacob.
Shout out
To
to Lola Emily and Lola Books.
love you.
I love you. Oh! Subscribe. See you next week. Bye.
Bye. Love you.
I love you.